Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. We are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. For that, first go to the new. Now we are in the new file. For easy explanation, I am just going to keep this drawing left side and software in the right side so that we can easily explain. Yes. Before starting any drawing, first recheck your dimensions. Our dimensions are in mm, so our units are in mm. So first set the unit. Type units. Enter. Default it is in the unit of inches. Choose into. Here precision make it 0. And this one you make it limit. Say OK. Then we need to specify the limit. Limit is nothing but choosing the sheet. For example, in this white color sheet, we have this drawing. Similarly, we need to specify this white color sheet. For that, this corner and this corner need to be specified. This corner is 0, 0. Then this corner dimension should be taken bigger than the size of the drawing. The maximum length is 60 and 60. For then, I am going to take a size of the sheet is 150, 150. Now, type limits. Left corner is 0, 0, enter. Right corner is 150, 150. Just enter. Then Z, enter. A, enter. Now we have setted the screen. Then we will start drawing it. There are multiple ways of drawing this diagram. In this tutorial, I am going to explain in a different way. Just watch complete video. First, I am going to create a square with a size of 60 and 60. For that, just go here. You can choose a rectangle. Just click here. Both the dimension we can able to specify. This one is 60. Then tab. This one you can able to read 60. Just enter. Now we have created a square. Then we will create a chamber with a length of 15 and 10. The same way here also they specified. This horizontal is 15 and vertical is 10. For that, just type chamber. CH is nothing but chamber. CH, enter. CHA, just enter. That is chamber. Now specify the first line. First, we can specify distance first. So D, enter. The first chamber distance is 15. I am going to specify as 15. 15, enter. And the second chamber distance is, here you can see 10. 10, enter. Now it is asking us to choose first line and second line. First we have specified 15. So we need to choose this line is the first line and second line this line. Now see, the chamber is created properly. The same way we need to apply to all the corners. For that, take the previous command, just enter. You will get a previous command. So this one is first line and this one is the second line. Again go for enter. You will get the previous command. The 15 line is this one. This is the 15 and this one is the 10. Similarly, go for enter again. Choose this line and choose this line. Now we have created a chamber in all the corners. Just go for escape. You come out from the previous command. Now we just want to create a circle with a diameter of 8 in 4 corners. For that, just go for a circle. C, enter. We get the circle. It is asking us to specify the center point. The center point of the circle is just go here and go here. this one is the center point. Just click here. It is asking us to specify a radius, but we need to specify diameter, means just D, enter. Specify the diameter as 8. Just enter. The same has to be created here also. Just again go for previous command. Just enter it. It is asking us to specify the center point. Take a reference points here. Just click it here. Then again go for D, enter. Diameter is 8. Just enter. Now we have created these two circles. Then we can mirror it. Just select these circles. First one, second one. There is an option called mirror. Now specify the first point. First point is this one, and second point is this one. That's it. Erase source object. Just no. By giving enter also, it will take it as defaultly. No. Now we have created these two circles. Then we'll go for creating this polygon. To create this polygon, there is a command called polygon. We can simply go for it. Now just type POL. The first one is the polygon. Just enter it. It is asking number of sides. Now we just want to create a 6. That means hexagon. That means a 6 number of sides. So the number of side is 6. Just enter. Specify the center of the polygon. To get the center of the polygon, move your cursor to the edge. This one is the center. Just simply click here. We just want to make a inscribed in circle or circumambient circle. Example, if you are making a diagonal polygon, means go for inscribed circle. These two parallel sides polygons mean go for circumambient circle. Now just switch on this ortho mode. Then we can set vertical one. Now the distance is 20. Here it is asking a radius. Radius is 10. Just 10. And now it is came like this. You just want to rotate it. For that, RO, enter. Specify the object. Just enter. Specify the base point. This one is the center point. Angle we need to specify it as 90. Just enter. Now we have placed a polygon properly. Now we can check the distance also. Just go for a linear dimension. Take a linear. Or here there is an option called measure. Just go for a distance. Simply this point and this point. Quick. Here you can see this 20 is showing that the distance is 20. Now just escape. Now we have created this polygon. Then we'll create a rectangle here. We first create a rectangle. Just go for the corner rectangle. Just go here. This height is width is 15. Tab. Height is 20. Just enter. Then we just want to move this rectangle to here. For that, just select this rectangle. Then go for move. Simply type MOV. You will get the move command. Just enter. Now specify the base point. I just want to take this point. Then move it to this point. Similarly, Control Z to just give. Just make a copy first. Select this one. CO, enter. Specify the base point is this one and move it to this point. Then escape. Again select this one. Just go for the copy. Here also we can go for copy. Specify the base point is this one. and second base point is this one. Just escape and select this one, delete it. Now we have created this, then we just want to remove unwanted edges. Use a trim tool, TR enter. This one we don't want. Similarly this one we don't want. Just go for escape. Now we have created a full object. Just select all the object. Then go for bilayer. Specify the thickness as 0.35. Just go for escape. Now we have applied it. We have increased the thickness of the edge, but it's not showing. To show it, just go for here. Just line width display. You just switch on it. Now it is showing the line width. If you are not getting this icon here, just go for customization. Just enable this line width, line weight. Now we just want to specify the center mark. Just type CM, enter. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Then just go for escape. For here we just want to make axis line, XL, X line, just enter. From here to this is enough. Here also we can make a center mark. Now just increase the property of this center mark. Just select this all center marks. These lines are very small. Then right click, go for properties. Here line space scale is, just make it 15. Then close it. Now we have created a center mark to all. Now we'll specify a dimensions one by one. First go for the linear dimension. From here to here, which is 15. See here, this is 15, but it's showing very small. For that, just go for dim style. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it 4. Text also make it 4. Primary units make it 0. Just say OK, then close it. The size is little bigger, then again go for dim style. Just enter. Modify. Here make it the value of 3 or 2 I'm just giving. Text also make it 2. Primary units also we make it 0. Just OK and close. Now this is enough. Now specify other dimension one by one. Go for linear. This dimension is 10 and this end-to-end dimension is 60, and again go for this dimension is 10, and again go for linear dimension. This one is 15 and this one is 20. Now just specify this side. This dimension is 15 and this end-to-end dimension is 60 and this dimension is 30. From here to the center point, this one is 30. Then here this dimension is 20 and this height also be this is 30. Finally we just want to specify this diameter dimension. For that just go for diameter, just click it here, you'll get the diameter. Just double click this one, just type just right arrow, just comma or int, just type x 4. This indicates that we have a dia 8 of old with 4. That's it. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.